Good morning, dear children. Welcome to BNCBSE English online class. I'm glad to meet you here once again. So, children, today we are going to revise chapter 2, that is the Ants poem. Yes, do you remember the story? Yes, that's good, dear children. Ants, we also gonna revise the notes. Yes, I hope you have copied the notes in your notebooks. Yes? Okay, that's good then. Okay, so at first we're gonna revise the story, my dear children. Yes, do you remember the story? This little black ant, he found a large grain of wheat, isn't it? It was too heavy, so he cannot lift it and he cannot roll it. Yes, do you remember? So he asked for help, isn't it? He has seen a neighbor on his way and he asked for help. Do you remember? Yes. Then what happened? Did this neighbor ants help these little black ants? No, isn't it? Why? Because he said that if you want to lift your heavy weight, you just lift it. I don't wanna help you because I have to look after my own work. Yes, it said like that. Do you remember, children? Yes, isn't it? And then after saying these all, it just crawled off selfishly because it wanted to sleep. Yes, do you remember? Then what happened? A black brother ant passed by, isn't it? So he saw that his little brother ant, he needed help. He was in need of help, isn't it? So he came and helped him, assisted him. Okay, why did he assist him? Why did he help him? Because this little black brother ant was good natured. That's why he helped the little black ants, isn't it? Yes, so there is a message for the listeners of the story. Do you remember? Yes, we should learn from this black brother ant. What we should learn? Yes, we should help the help the poor people, help the needy, isn't it? Yes, that's good, my dear children. We should not be like that. Which one? Yes, all of you say the answer. I'm not gonna say the answer. Yes, we should not be like that neighbor ant. Instead, we should be like this black brother. Why? Because he was good natured and he was ready to help anyone, those who are in need. Got it, children? So you should learn the good values from the ants. Okay, and then the next one. 1 minute, my dear children. Yes, yeah, this I already told you. I just explained. The same thing was written here. You should be like a good nature ant. Who is the good nature ant here? Yes, the brother ant. Yes, who's that? Brother ant, isn't it? And then who is you should not be like dash. Yes, you shouldn't be like the neighbor ant. Yes, and then the poet says that insects are very kind and friend with each other. So my dear children, you should also be the same. Okay, you should also be kind and friend with each other. Okay, children? Yes, and then what did you learn from this story? What's the moral of the story? Yes, children should help the people when they are in need. This is the moral you learned from this story, isn't it? So what will you do hereafter? If you see anyone, any elder or anyone, they are in need, after seeing them, you just move away from that place? Yes, you gonna do that? No, impossible. You cannot do that. Okay, you should go near to them and you should help them. Okay, if for example, if an elder there and he cannot lift his big shopper, so you can go near to him and what you can do? Yes, you just help him carry the shopper. Yes, don't forget that you should help the needy people. Yes, you should help the people when they are in need. Don't forget that, my dear children. Okay, now all of you take your notes. Yes, I'm giving you 5 seconds to take your notes. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, have you all taken? That's good, my dear children. So first we're gonna revise synonyms. Do you remember the new words we have learned from the poem. Yes, what's the first one? Ease. Okay, without any difficulty. What's the meaning of ease? Without any difficulty. Next one, endeavor. So what's the meaning of endeavor? Make an effort. Okay, you should make some effort. Why? Because to get some knowledge from this poem. Yes, do you remember? Yes, that's good. And then, sorry, profit. Yes, profit. What's the meaning of profit? To gain. To gain. Okay, and the next one, assisted. Assisted. Helped. Who assisted? Yes, the black brother ant assisted the little black ant. Yes, do you remember? Yes, that's good. Let's see the next one. Certainly, surely, certainly, surely. That means definitely. Okay, children? Yes, and then ought, should, ought, should. You should be kind to the people, those who are in need. You should help the people. That means ought, should, ought, should. Okay, and then antonyms. Yes, antonyms, opposites of the word. Yes, okay, cross, happy. So here in this poem, cross meaning angry. What's the meaning of cross? Angry. What's the meaning of cross? Angry. Yes, so the opposite, happy. Opposite, happy. The next one is difficult. So what's the meaning of is? Without any difficult, no difficulties. Okay, so what's the antonyms? That is the opposite of is difficult. Opposite, difficult. And then profit. So what's the meaning of profit? Gain something, earn something. Yes, but the opposite, loss. Opposite, loss. And then assist. Assist. What's the meaning of assist? Help. What's the meaning of assist? Help. So what's the opposite? Disturb. Helping, disturbing. Assisting, disturbing. So what's the opposite word of assist? Disturb. Assist, disturb. Okay, and then next word, certainly, doubtfully. Certainly, doubtfully. So what's the meaning of certain? Sure. Okay, what's the meaning of certainly? Surely. Yes, but the opposite word is doubtfully. All of you say certainly, doubtfully. Certainly, doubtfully. Okay, so then let's move on to the question answers. Okay, turn your page, my dear children. What's the first question? What did the little black ant find? Yes, it's a grain of sand. Is it the correct answer? No, isn't it? The little black ant found a grain of wheat. Yes, a large grain of wheat. Who found? The little black ant found. It found what? Yes, the large grain of wheat. That's good. And then let's move on to the second question. Let me read the question. Follow me, children. Whom did the little black ant beg for help? Whom did the little black ant beg for help? Yes, his neighbor or his father? His father? No, a neighbor passed by, isn't it? A neighbor ant. Yes, a selfish neighbor ant. So whom did the little black ant beg for help? Yes, the little black ant begged help. Yes, from his neighbor. Yes, children? Okay, that's good, my dear children. So, okay, so those who did not copy the note, kindly copy and take a snapshot and send it to me. So, okay, children, I hope you understand the notes and the story very well. So, if you have any doubt, you just call me or text me. I'm ready to explain at any time. Okay, children? So the next week, shall we write an exam? Yes. So read the story once again and learn the notes that was given to you. Okay. So in next class, I'll give you some questions ready to answer that. Okay, my dear children? Yes. Let's wind up our class here till we meet in our next class. Bye for now. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you, my dear children. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.